I'm John. Today I'm going to show you how you can use HTTP API within Persana. Once you understand this, you can connect to any database and workflow you want. And setting up HTTP API integration within Persana is totally free. So you can see an example table on the screen. And I want to mention that every API will require different setups. Let me briefly explain some words about HTTP. So I'm going to click on enrich data, type in HTTP, and yep, here it is. One of them is the method. Method is the basically HTTP method of your call, like get, post, put, and delete. And you can know which method to use by reading the API documentation you are using. And then endpoint will be the URL where you will be requesting the API for whatever you are trying to use. And the body is the underlying data you want to put into the request. And of course headers. And yep, here it is. It's used in request authentication or to specify the content type of the body. And so which tool or database that you are looking to use, you can search on Google to see if they have an API documentation. This is a must. And if two platforms are not directly integrated with each other, you can link them together to do any form of data exchange. So in a nutshell, you need to do four things to make this connection right. The first one is you need to know the API docs, okay, API documentation. The second is you need to know the method. And third is you need to know the endpoint, and then probably and then of course you need an API key. Okay, you know that this is a must. And in this case, we need an API key because we can connect them each other successfully. Okay. And in this case, I want to show you Perplexity. Perplexity, you probably know that. And I heard that many people use it for research instead of Google. Okay. This is really interesting. And so I will dive into the API documentation of Perplexity. Yeah, I mean, and you just put in the URL. You can also put the HTTP body as well. Here is the body and make sure the JSON formatting is right. And in the headers, here is the headers. You add values depending on what you have. Okay. So let's go back to the Persona dashboard, and here is an example. Click on it, enrich. Okay. Look at the call request. As you can see, here's the post, and it should be the post. And the URL is in there, so I just put it in the endpoint like this. Okay, and copy and paste. And the body, of course, is all the stuff. So copy it and paste it. And I will edit. You can see content be detailed and give you all the company info they're asking for. Look at this. System has to be precise and concise, but I want to change it and system be detailed and give all the company info they're asking for. Okay, some editing like this. And the header has all the different things, and copy and paste it. So key, content type, value application JSON I want to show you, accept, and application JSON, accept, application JSON, authorization. Here's the key. I want my key copy and paste it. And yep, content type application JSON and content type application JSON. Okay, so we are ready to go, and all the information that you need in there. And yep, I'm going to save and run for all. Okay, I want to show you an example and click on it. And as you can see, the model Sonar Medium Online and usage, how many tokens are using, and of course choices. Click on choices, finish reasons tab. Okay, waiting for it. Just give it a minute. Okay, click on success and click on reasons and the message. Yep, your role, you're replying to me, and the content is Footlocker has recently expanded its operations, blah blah blah. This is what I want. I want this. I want to get this output, and Perplexity successfully give it to me. And okay, yep. As you can see, here is error. So click on click on this and rerun empty failed records. Yes, it's working now. As you can see, Persona is switching from error to success. Success, okay. For example, click on it, choices, role assistant, and the message like this. Okay, here is a very detailed message. Okay, we can, when I click on this column, we can add click on this column, the right there, and for example, add this column, add column. So new column is created. Very detailed. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And yeah, thank you.